What up, this your boy SR Rico. Hope you guys out there being safe, having a nice day. No matter if you just going out to get groceries, going to work, or just chilling in the house, man. You know, it's crazy what's going on out there, dude. I don't know. You know, you got some people out there calling it a hoax. You know, you got people out there talking about they're rolling in 5G. You got the virus out there, all type of shit out there, man. But hey, just stay safe no matter what you do. But what we doing today is changing the LEDs. Well, I'm gonna show you how to change the LED, the dash LEDs on the top of an EF and a dash. Usually they're bronze, but we're gonna switch them to bright white LEDs. So let me show you guys how they look stock. Matter of fact, let me close this down real quick. So we can get somewhat of a good view of how the stock dash lights look. It'll be the dash lights that's under here that shine down. Usually those would be bronze. Now you can barely see that. I don't know if that's coming up on camera. It's like these fainted lights that shine down. Hold on, let me see. Let me try to close the garage all the way. Hey, Jules. Hi, Justin. How you doing? Good. All right, now it's pretty dark, so let me cut the lights on. Let's see if we can see these guys. Yeah, they're so dim that they're barely even showing up on camera. I don't even think you guys can even see that, but it's like a really slight light that's under there. You see that? Yeah, mine are just so worn out. And my dash lights don't even come up, so I gotta change those. But right now, just changing these top two dash lights will give me better visibility to see my gauges. So turn that off, release the main power switch, and let's open the garage up and let's get these bad boys switched out. Now on any 88 to 91 Civics, you're gonna have your hazard lights, your dim switch, and I think these are the like defrosters or some shit right here. I forgot what this button is, but yeah, you're gonna have to unhook that and those two. And then you're gonna have a screw under here and the screw under here, and you have to release the two top ones on top. So then you see all this contraption up here. That's my shift light, my custom shift light that I have. I got a video on this too, if you look down in the videos. So you have one screw here, release this one, and one screw here. Screw it to the side, and then you pull this tab up like so. Be careful that you don't break the little, the little clips on the side. And then you're gonna have these LEDs that you're gonna be replacing right here. All you have to do is just twist to take those out, just like so. Take your lights and pull the bulbs out. Like that. And take your LED and put them in. Just slide them in. Like that. Now you want to test, obviously. So slide one in. Now if you slide them in and you cut the car on and they don't come on, that means you have them in backwards. So you just take them out, turn them over again, and then insert it again. Damn, these little bulbs are in here tight. Bulbs. Set it back down, and then let's see if they come on. Are they even firing? Yep, bulbs are on, baby. Bulbs are on. So now that we know that they're working, we can screw everything back together. Okay, so now we have everything screwed back together, down tight. So let's close the garage and cut the lights on, and let's get a good view of how the LEDs look. I've been meaning to do this for a long time. All right, set that down. Key in. Oops, hazards on. And look at that. Much better, baby. Those are my LEDs, my headlights that you hear popped on. But yeah, I can see my gauges now. Much better. I like that a lot. I'm gonna have a LED ECU mod that I'm doing. I will be uploading that video after this video. So, you know, y'all get 2 videos basically shit in 2 days time. I know I haven't uploaded a video in like a week now. Sorry, my bad. But you know, a lot of stuff going on. You know, just gotta make sure the family's safe, make sure my friends are safe. You know, everything that's going on right now. We got the Infinity 3.7 on a battery tender, because that bad boy was super dead. But yeah, this your boy SI Rico. Hope you guys enjoyed the quick little video, little LED mod, you know, for people that want to see their gauges better. Hopefully maybe one day we'll be changing the ones that's actually inside the gauge themselves. But yeah, and still waiting. I actually just bought a block wire harness instead of just waiting for the one that my follower was gonna send me. I didn't feel like waiting, so we're waiting for that now. That'll be coming so we can finally get this bad boy running correctly and get a dyno tuned. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Rate, comment, sub, stay safe, and hey, PFI for life. Baby.